Have you ever wondered where we come from? The story of human evolution is a captivating journey through time, a tale spanning millions of years. It's a story about our ancestors, creatures both familiar and strange, who walked the earth long before us. We can trace our lineage back to the earliest hominids, those pioneering primates who dared to walk upright. By piecing together fossils, artifacts, and genetic clues, scientists have been able to paint a remarkable picture of our evolutionary past. This journey takes us from the savannas of Africa to the colder climates of Europe and Asia. It's a story of adaptation and survival, of innovation and migration. We'll explore how our ancestors evolved over time, developing larger brains, crafting tools, and ultimately becoming the dominant species on Earth. But it's also a story that's still being written. Every new discovery adds another piece to the puzzle, further illuminating our place in the grand scheme of life. Our story begins in Africa, the cradle of humankind. Around 7 million years ago, a new type of primate emerged, one that would set the stage for our own evolution. These were the earliest hominids, and they possessed a key trait that set them apart: bipedalism, the ability to walk upright on two legs. One of the most famous early hominids is Australopithecus afarensis, a species made famous by the discovery of Lucy in Ethiopia. Lucy and her kin lived in a mixed environment of woodlands and grasslands, their upright posture giving them advantages in both habitats. They were smaller than modern humans, with longer arms and shorter legs, suggesting they still spent time in trees. Their brains were also significantly smaller than ours, but their bipedalism marked a crucial turning point in our evolutionary history. It freed their hands to use tools, though evidence suggests they primarily used simple tools found in nature rather than crafting their own. This adaptation to walking upright was a pivotal step toward becoming human. Around 2.5 million years ago, a new genus emerged within the hominid family Homo. These early humans possessed larger brains than their predecessors and exhibited a growing capacity for tool-making and complex social interactions. One of the earliest members of our genus was Homo habilis, or handyman, so named for their ability to create stone tools. These tools, while simple, allowed them to access new food sources and navigate their environment more effectively. As the Homo lineage continued, Homo erectus emerged, a species that would become the first to migrate out of Africa. Homo erectus mastered fire, a pivotal development that provided warmth, protection, and a means to cook food, leading to improved nutrition and brain development. They were also skilled toolmakers, crafting hand axes and other implements that allowed them to hunt larger game and adapt to diverse environments. As Homo erectus spread across the globe, different human populations evolved along separate paths. One such group, the Neanderthals, emerged in Europe and parts of Asia around 400,000 years ago. Neanderthals were stockier and more muscular than their Homo sapiens counterparts, with adaptations suited for colder climates. They were skilled hunters and toolmakers, and evidence suggests they had complex social structures and even engaged in symbolic thought and rituals. For a time, Neanderthals and Homo sapiens coexisted in Europe and Asia. Recent genetic evidence has revealed that the two species even interbred, with traces of Neanderthal DNA present in the genomes of modern humans of non-African descent. However, around 40,000 years ago, the Neanderthals disappeared from the fossil record, their fate a subject of ongoing scientific debate. While Neanderthals thrived in Europe and Asia, our own species, Homo sapiens, was evolving in Africa. Emerging around 300,000 years ago, Homo sapiens possessed several key advantages that allowed them to outcompete other human species. Their larger brains facilitated complex thought, language, and social cooperation. They were adaptable and innovative, crafting sophisticated tools, developing art and symbolism, and eventually establishing complex societies. Around 70,000 years ago, Homo sapiens began migrating out of Africa, eventually populating every corner of the globe. They encountered other human species, including Neanderthals and Denisovans, another archaic human group, and interbred with them to a limited extent. However, Homo sapiens ultimately became the sole surviving human species, their dominance attributed to their superior cognitive abilities, social organization, and adaptability. Section 6. Written in our genes, the evidence for human evolution. The story of human evolution is not just told through fossils and artifacts, it's also written in our genes. By comparing the DNA of modern humans from different populations, scientists can trace our ancestry back to a common ancestor who lived in Africa. Genetic studies provide compelling evidence for human evolution, confirming our shared ancestry with other primates and shedding light on our migration patterns and interbreeding with other human species. For instance, the presence of Neanderthal DNA in modern human populations outside of Africa confirms that our ancestors interbred with Neanderthals. Genetic analysis also reveals that certain genes associated with brain development and language evolved rapidly in the Homo sapiens lineage, suggesting these traits played a crucial role in our species' success. Section 7. The future of our species. Will we evolve further? As we delve into the story of our past, it begs the question, what does the future hold for human evolution? With advancements in technology and medicine, we are now able to influence our environment and biology in unprecedented ways. Some scientists believe that human evolution has slowed or even stopped due to our ability to control our surroundings. Others argue that we are entering a new phase of evolution, one shaped by technology and culture rather than natural selection. Genetic engineering technologies such as CRISPR offer the potential to alter our DNA and potentially eradicate genetic diseases. Artificial intelligence and automation are transforming our societies and the way we work, potentially leading to new selective pressures. While it's impossible to predict the future of human evolution with certainty, one thing is clear. We are active participants in our own evolutionary journey. Section 8. The importance of understanding our past. Studying human evolution is not just about uncovering our origins, it's about understanding who we are as a species. By exploring our evolutionary past, we gain insights into our behavior, our biology, and our place in the natural world. It helps us appreciate the interconnectedness of all life on Earth and highlights the importance of preserving biodiversity. Understanding our evolutionary history can also inform our approach to current challenges, such as climate change, disease, and social inequality. By recognizing our shared ancestry and the factors that have shaped our species, we can foster greater empathy, cooperation, and a sense of responsibility for the future of humanity. Section 9. Conclusion. The story of human evolution is a testament to the power of adaptation, innovation, and the relentless drive of life to survive and thrive. From our humble beginnings as bipedal primates in Africa to our current status as the dominant species on Earth, our journey has been marked by remarkable transformations. By studying our evolutionary past, we gain a deeper understanding of ourselves, our place in the world, and the responsibility we have to ensure a future where humanity continues to evolve and prosper.